Hi, I'm Molly with GRS University. So you've owned your Vise for a little bit. You want to know how to keep it in good working order? Today we're going to show you how to maintenance your Vise.
Well, I have a wonderful electronic invention I want you to see. It looks something like this.
Welcome back to the GRS Training Center. We're going to show you how to do maintenance on your Vise. We're using the low profile Vise to show this to you, but this will work for any of your GRS Vises. Okay, so first thing, we're going to actually take these pins out. And there's two ways to do this step. You can either use an air gun to blow the holes out, or you can tip it upside down onto a cloth. I'm going to tip it upside down. You just have to be very careful because they are heavy. Okay. So you'll see the metal debris that came out of there. If that builds up underneath your pins, they won't bottom out correctly, which means that your plate is up in the air, and that's going to lead to vibration, which leads to a broken graver. So you want to make sure to keep those cleaned out. The next thing we're going to do is actually make sure there's no metal shavings within the Vise jaws. So go ahead and open those all the way up. And this time I am going to use the air gun. So I'm going to put on some safety glasses. And these may look funny, but I use this a lot when I'm cleaning the training center, and you'd be surprised how far those metal shavings will blow. And so just be safe, keep your eyes, wear some safety glasses. You could also do that by using a brush, but it's not as effective. Okay. So now that we've got that all cleaned out, we're going to apply a little bit of grease to the threads of the Vise. This is what we use in the assembly area, but it does come in smaller cans, so don't worry about this. You don't need this much. It lasts a lot longer than you think. You only need a little bit. If you apply too much, then it'll actually attract the metal shavings, and then they'll pinch inside of your jaws. And you'll be able to feel it too. Your jaws will close a little bit tighter, so if that happens, open them back up and just make sure there's no metal shavings in there. Okay, now that we have that on there, I'm just gonna close these up, and then I'll open them back up and close them again just to make sure that grease is evenly distributed. Okay, so after that, there's only one more step, and that's to apply oil to the surface of your Vise. This is just going to help prevent any kind of rust. We use spray-on. It's a medium-based oil indoor metal protectant. All you have to do is spray it on a rag, and then apply it to the surface. So this isn't something that you're gonna have to do every day. For instance, the grease, you're not gonna have to do that often. If you feel it start to get a little tough to open and close, then apply a little bit of grease to the Vise threads. This is going to depend on the climate, how much you use your Vise. Just every now and then hit it with a little bit of oil to keep it in good condition. These are meant to last, just take care of them, give them a little bit of love. Thanks for watching, guys. This week's suggested Instagram user is Mike Duber. He's going to be teaching Grandmasters this year, so you need to go check out his page, check out his work. He's a really nice guy. Go check it out. If you want to be our next suggested Instagram user, then tag us at GRS Tools on your next post. Like and subscribe to us. Follow us on all social media. Throw your comments for suggestions on next videos down below. That's all. Thank you. Bye.